Got the Hoffman trigger kicker, regular carbine buffer and spring, carbine gas. We're just gonna let the first mag rip, probably the second mag rip too, if it goes right. And the third mag, kind of see if we can get 2, 3, 4 round bursts or whatever. So, here we go. I like how that went. Might as well go another one full rip, right? Very nice, controllable cadence. I like that. See if we can get little 3 rounders out of this one. Man, for $43, dude, you cannot beat that. You cannot beat that.